I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you need to update your phone number on Gumroad, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Find phone number section. In the account settings menu, look for the section labeled contact information or phone number. Click on it to edit. Step 4. Update your phone number. Enter your new phone number in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos before saving. Quick gotcha, if you accidentally enter a wrong number, you might miss important notifications, so be careful. Step 5. Confirm changes. After saving, you may receive a confirmation email or text. Follow the instructions in that message to finalize the update. I hope this guide helps you easily update your phone number on Gumroad. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.